Well, happy days, welcome back my fantastic artistic numismatic friends. We have got the Tilraid album, so we're looking for coins that we found in as change or cadged off of as family and friends and other bits and pieces like that. Okay, so for £2, because we collect the £2, the commemorative ones, and we also collect the 50p's and anything else that we can lay his hands on. But for £2 wise, we're just missing three Commonwealth games should I say. That is Northern Ireland, Wales and Scotland, and the fourth one being the England one that we've got. Okay, we need the 2008 Olympic Beijing handover and the Mary Rose, and I think that is that for £2 wise. Everything including the Great Fire of London. Okay, 50p wise, we've got a beautiful one down there that I keep showing, and why wouldn't I keep showing it? It's a smashing coin, belter of a find. Okay, so we've got Olympic football to find and handball and triathlon, so 3 to find in that, and we've got everything else, a few oddballs at the back. Right, let's crack on with this. I will zoom in a slight bit. We've got a really rare coin to show you that I've found on my Tilraid hunts this week. We'll get to that in a moment. £2 wise, we have got a Brunel's Archers. Okay, a very common one, part of a 2-coin set, so I won't keep him. He will go back into circulation. And again, what's this one? Can't remember now. DNA, double helix, a lovely looking coin. Suffers from mediocre mintage, I'm afraid, but that is an absolutely stunning design. One of my favourites. It's this one, £2, and this is the act of the abolition of the slave trade. Yep, there we go. Got the orange peel matte effect there on the inner pill, but there is the NIFC one, which has got a smooth finish, and I have my theories on why they changed that halfway through. Well, say halfway through, just after they made the bunk sets. Okay, so this is 2015, so this is going to be something good, and it is a Magna Carta. Looks pretty circulated. One of my favourite designs, and I'm still yet, as I'm recording this, I'm still yet to post the video of where I went to a Magna Carta town. My local town is a Magna Carta town, and yeah, that's probably why I find a few of these. But yeah, that's a keeper. That's a keeper, by the way. Whether I keep it, I don't know, because I find a fair few of them. Right, let's get on to the 50p's. Alright, so 2008, we have got a representation of the People Act. Super common, lovely looking coin, but super common. So again, I won't be keeping the ones that are super duper common. What's this, 2017? That's a Mr. Jeremy Fisher. So part of the Beatrix Potter set. Again, it's around about the 9 million minted on him, so will not be kept. 2016, and this is a Peter Rabbit, the original Peter Rabbit in 2016. Yeah, some folk keep him. I don't think I will. I have a few sets now of the 2016s. I don't think I'll keep any more. But if it's a puddle duck, I'll definitely keep that one. Diversity Built Britain. Yeah, that's another super duper common coin. Okay, 2017. What we got here? Benjamin Bunny. So I will sign this one, set him free, and if you find a squiggle on him, could be mine. Another 2016. What we got this time? Squirrel Nutkin. Yeah, the mediocre range. This one, about 5 million on this. So yeah, it's over face value. Again, will I keep it? I don't know. What we got here? 2020. We've got another Diversity Built Britain. They're all over the place now, Diversity Built Britain. So now we come on to a couple of the belters, but not the belter coin. Okay, to 1998. 1998, we've got an NHS. Now again, these are in the mediocre minted range, and you find less of these now. You know, such a good subject matter, and because of its age, you don't find that many. But 2011, what have we got here? We've obviously got an Olympic coin, or have we? It's a Paralympic. You can tell by the design of the little symbol up there. Yeah, I definitely will keep this one. We don't need this one for the book, but it is definitely a keeper. Right, couple of coins to show you that I have found. Now, I got this in change. I went to York on the weekend, do a bit of Christmas shopping, and I've got a Christmas jumper on. Let me know if you know which kind of Christmas jumper this is. Those who know, they know. And this is from 2006. And this is the Ballywick of Jersey, 1 penny. So that was a nice turn up in your change. But the best coin I got is this one. Now, my father got this. He got it from work, where he works. And he sent me an image. Is this any good, Dan? Aye, of course it is, Dad. I'll have this one. 2019. It's a U for Union Jack, or Union Flag. I think the mintage on these is what, 84,000. So, lots, really scarce, super duper scarce. And to find one anyway is bonkers. 2019, obviously a lot rarer than the really scarce 2018. So yeah, these are like hen's teeth. But yeah, beautiful stuff. So that would be my find of this week. But out of the 50p wise, I don't know. Definitely those two. I will keep this one. So yeah, I want you to do, guys. I want you to just, pick one. Which one would you go towards? Which one would you choose as your find of the week? The Magna Carta, or the NHS, the archery, the 10p, or the 1p. And let me know what you've been finding as well, because it always interests me. I like to see what's still out there, what people are still finding. So yeah, just pop that down in the comments and that will do great. Remember to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Leave a big like on the video as well. And until next time, my fantastic friends, take care of the Sen. Stay safe. Happy days. It's Christmas time, there's no need to be afraid. At Christmas time, whoa!